I like apples. I like to read books. I like to playing football. I like chocolate ice cream. I like to watch movies. I like my new phone. I like listening to music. I like swimming. I like going for a walk. I like traveling to new places. I like pizza. I like painting. I like gardening. I like to play with my friends. I like rainy days. I like my school. I like reading newspaper. I like to do exercise. I like watching cartoons. I like playing video games. I like drinking coffee. I like the smell of flowers. I like to dance. I like hiking in the mountains. I like the color blue. I like eating ice cream in the summer. I like learning new languages. I like going to the beach. I like riding my bicycle. I like to bake cookies. I like taking pictures. I like helping others. I like to draw. I like playing chess. I like singing. I like the smell of rain. I like to go fishing. I like watching the sunset. I like eating out. I like writing stories. I like wearing comfortable clothes. I like meeting new people. I like to collect stamps. I like to meditate. I like watching birds. I like drinking tea in the evening. I like learning about history. I like spending time with my family.